Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and today I'm going to show you how to make some Ladybug Shrinky Dink bookmarks. So to get started, you're going to need Shrinky Dinks. I prefer the rough and ready kind, but you can use the white if you prefer. You're also going to need some scissors and a template. This template is available for free on sincerelysaturday.com for you to download and print. You're also going to need something to color with. I used both colored pencils and Sharpie, a hole punch, some Mod Podge or Dimensional Magic Mod Podge, depending on what you're doing, and a paintbrush to apply that Mod Podge with. Some baker's twine, we're going to use that to connect the ladybug and the strawberry flowers together. You're also going to need some parchment paper and an oven or toaster oven to make these in. And you're also going to need a little round bead or even the lid of a Sharpie and some foam if you're going to make a domed ladybug. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to start with my template and you're going to work on the rough side of the Shrinky Dinks. You're going to just trace both whatever size ladybug you're choosing to use. I like the medium size. I think it works and looks the cutest. And then you're going to do the same thing, trace and color in the strawberry plant. Once you have all of that done, go ahead and cut both of those out. Be really careful because Shrinky Dinks is very brittle, so you just want to make sure you're taking your time to cut everything out. And once you have everything cut out, you're going to go ahead and bake these off according to the manufacturer's instructions. Now, once you have everything cut out, don't forget to punch holes. These are really important to punch before and not after because you will not be able to punch them after. So I just punched a hole right in the center of the ladybug and at the top of the strawberry plant. So now go ahead and pop your Shrinky Dinks into the oven. I recommend doing them one at a time. I did use an acrylic stamp block just to push the strawberry plant down, make sure it's nice and flat, but you do not have to do that. Okay, so time to pop our ladybug in the oven. Make sure you are putting it in a colored side up. That way when we are molding it, the shiny side of the ladybug is going to be on top and look nice and finished. Working as fast as you can, you're going to remove your ladybug from the oven and you're going to use whatever rounded object you found and push down into the foam. And this is going to create a little beetle looking ladybug. So once everything has sufficiently dried, it's time to apply a layer of Mod Podge. I'm just using regular matte Mod Podge for this, but you can use high gloss or I recommend the Dimensional Magic if everything is nice and flat. Once you've applied the Mod Podge over any red areas, you do not want to go over that again, so apply it and leave it alone. Otherwise you're going to have a lot of bleeding and it just doesn't look very nice. So now we are going to cut some baker's twine to connect our ladybug and strawberry plant. I think I used about an 8-inch piece of twine. So go ahead and get that cut and we are going to color one side with Sharpie. That way it blends in once we have it tied onto our ladybug. And just make sure that once you have colored your string, just let it dry, and once it's dry then we can connect everything. So I did do a knot on the top as well as on the bottom of the ladybug, and you'll see that in just 1 second. I recommend it. I think it keeps the ladybug in place. It just looks a little bit nicer when it's actually being used as a bookmark. So go ahead and tie everything off. You're going to do the same thing with the strawberry plant. I did have to use a toothpick to kind of help shove the string into the hole on the strawberry plant, but you can use kind of whatever you want to. You may not need to, but I did. So once I have everything tied, it is done and we are ready to see what it looks like inside of a book. So I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Sophie Marshall. She is a fellow blogger and crafter. She nominated me for the Great Ladybug Challenge, which inspired me to make this Ladybug bookmark for you guys today. And that whole challenge comes from ourlittleredhouse.com. I'm going to put a link in the description box below to both of their blogs, and go ahead and go check them out. They're both great. You guys will be able to find the link also on my blog. connected to this challenge so that you guys can get the template for this bookmark. You can see here that I made all 3 sizes of the ladybugs, so that gives you a good reference of what they'll look like when you choose which size you like. I just like to thank everybody so much for checking this out, and I hope you guys make this. Again, if you make this, send me an email and a picture, and I would love to post it on my blog. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Please visit my blog, sincerelysaturday.com, where I have tons of DIY and craft inspiration, as well as travel information, and a whole bunch of other things. I'd love for you guys to check me out. And please like and subscribe to my channel and this video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you later.